Hi beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you an ageless, spotless and glowing skin treatment. Now this treatment is just gonna help you uproot and remove those dead skin cells, therefore revealing a smoother, more glowing and beautiful skin. So if you want to know what comprises of my natural ingredients, please do continue watching and don't forget to share the video, thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, and able to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'd love to see you there. Alright, let's dive into this video. The first ingredient for the looking younger is rice powder. Now rice powder is an ancient beauty natural ingredient that is used for hair growth, is used to glow the skin. It also used to remove wrinkles and fine lines. This natural ingredient contains a property that helps to unclog the pores, give you a lighter or even skin tone, and it's also great in removing age line, and it works wonders in removing under eye circles. Okay, so we're gonna be needing that a lot. And the next ingredient we're gonna be needing, which is very important, is aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is fast. Aloe vera is great for the skin, is great for the body and also for the hair. Aloe vera contains an antioxidant and also anti-aging property that helps to leave your skin looking young, looking radiant and looking beautiful. We're going to be needing Johnson baby oil. This oil is as compared to coconut oil because it is actually very soft and tender. It helps to replace a bad oil from the skin, and it will also do wonders in reducing the redness on the skin. Okay, alright, the next ingredient, which is the last ingredient, is going to be milk. Now milk contains an ingredient that helps to remove wrinkles, it helps for spots, it clears the skin, it removes pigmentation, it leaves your skin glowing, looking young and radiant. It helps to unclog the pores, therefore leaving your skin looking beautiful and young. Alright, so we're going to be preparing all our ingredients together. I'm going to be needing a clean small bowl, and then we're going to be taking in half tablespoon of rice powder into the bowl. We're going to cover that and keep that aside. We're going to be cutting a little piece of this aloe vera, but first we're just going to cut off the head. Okay, so to review the fresh juice, and we'll need just a little of this, so we're going to be cutting that, preparing it by removing the side, which is actually very sharp, and here is the gel, is actually very beautiful. Okay, and I would love to peel it this way. However, you know how to peel your aloe vera, you can do that, but if you want, you can do it my own way. Alright, so after opening this up, I would have to scrape the juice into this bowl. Alright, so you have to do that gently so there won't be any lumps at all, just like what you see me do. Scrape it, and there you have your aloe vera gel. Okay, this is actually very slimy. Okay, so that's great. For now, we're going to be putting in the baby oil. into this, and also we're going to be scooping in the milk. Okay, so I like to take 1 tablespoon of milk into this treatment. Doing that, I'm going to be mixing and stirring all this all up. And then you have to mix very well. You know, the aloe vera is slimy, and mixing it with the rice powder is gonna take a little bit of time, so you have to mix it and mix it really well, just like what you see me do. It can be very thick. You can see how it is. My god, oh my god. So now I'll have to beat it to loosen the thickness of the aloe vera. Alright, so you have to beat it. If you have so I'll have to be putting in more milk because I want to loosen the thickness of the aloe vera. Now we're just going to be mixing it again. That okay, so using aloe vera and baby Johnson oil, you're just gonna take this treatment and then you're gonna let it drop on your face, okay, just like what I'm doing right now, and then you are going to scrub it. Okay, you have to give it a little bit of scrub, like not too much though, because the rice has some particles. Okay, now if you did blend your own rice to it to be very smooth, you wouldn't notice the particles, but if it's like mine, you're gonna be noticing some particles. So you're gonna give that a little scrub. Okay, the milk is just gonna do wonders on the face, and the rice powder is perfect for an ageless skin. Okay, spotless and ageless skin. Okay, so you scrub this for like 1 minute, which is like 60 seconds, but give it a slight and very gentle scrub, not too much. All right, if you have age-related issues like wrinkles, fine lines, pigmentations, and age spots, you have a perfect treatment that would help you get rid of it. All right, so it's just gonna be very helpful. All right, so after scrubbing this for like 1 minute, which is 60 seconds, you can go wash this off. All right guys, so after you've washed that off, you can apply this treatment 3 times in a week to get an ageless, spotless, and clear skin. Okay, and consistency is the key to natural ingredients. Okay, so you have to be consistent and you have to give it just a little time for it to work, and I'm sure it's gonna be so helpful and it's gonna work really great on your skin. Okay, all the ingredients that are in here are natural. There is actually no side effects, and it's just gonna be wonderful on your skin. Okay, that would help in giving you an ageless skin, spotless and glowing skin. So but you have to be consistent, because the key to natural ingredients is consistency, and you have to be patient also. Alright, so if you did love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. And please share this video and follow me on Instagram, and drop your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. I will see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless. Bye guys.